The skies over South Asia are becoming increasingly crowded. Tensions in the region are not new, but the strategic balance is constantly shifting. Pakistan faces a complex security environment. Its neighbor, India, has been on a massive military modernization drive. It has acquired advanced fighter jets like the Rafale. This has created a significant technological gap. The Pakistan Air Force must respond to maintain a credible defense. Its existing fleet, while capable, needs a serious upgrade to counter these emerging threats. The need is not just for more planes, but for more advanced planes. Modern air warfare is about technology. It is about who sees the other first. It is about who can strike from a safer distance. The J-10C, a 4.5-generation fighter from its all-weather ally China, presents a viable solution. The question for Islamabad is not whether to get these jets, but how. It will define Pakistan's defensive capabilities for decades to come. Therefore, the context is clear. Pakistan is reacting to a changing security landscape. Pakistan stands at a strategic crossroads. The solution to its air power needs lies with its trusted ally China. Beijing has offered the formidable J-10C Vigorous Dragon fighter jet. This presents Islamabad with two very different paths to modernization. Each path has its own set of powerful arguments. The choice is not just about buying an aircraft. It is a decision that will shape Pakistan's economy. It will shape its technological future. It will shape its very sovereignty for the next 30 to 40 years. The first option is straightforward and quick. Direct purchase of fully assembled J-10C jets off the Chengdu production line. Pakistan pays, and new squadrons would be inducted in a relatively short time. The second option is far more complex and ambitious. Local production or assembly of the J-10C in Pakistan. China transfers technology, expertise, and components. The Pakistan Aeronautical Complex at Kamra, already building the JF-17, would become the hub. Ultimately, the choice is between speed and sovereignty. This decision cannot be taken lightly. Both options have strong advocates. Opting for direct procurement of the J-10C jets from China is the path of least resistance. Its greatest advantage is speed. The moment the deal is signed and the payment schedule is agreed upon, the jets can start arriving. This allows the Pakistan Air Force to quickly form new squadrons, train pilots, train ground crews, integrate the aircraft into its operational plans. In a volatile region, this rapid enhancement of combat capability is a priceless asset. It sends a clear and immediate signal to any adversary that the strategic balance has been restored. The solution is delivered ready to use. Furthermore, buying complete jets is a lower risk proposition in the short term. The aircraft are built by an experienced manufacturer, ensuring high quality and reliability from the very first unit. Pakistan would receive a proven product with a known performance envelope. However, this convenience comes at a significant long-term cost. The most obvious drawback is the increased dependency on China. Every spare part, every software update, and every major overhaul would require support from the original manufacturer. This places Pakistan in a vulnerable position, mortgaging the future for the present. The alternative to direct purchase is the ambitious path of local production. The single greatest advantage is national self-reliance. By assembling the J-10C in Pakistan, the country would take a giant leap towards technological independence. This involves a massive transfer of technology from China. Pakistani engineers and technicians would gain hands-on experience in advanced aerospace manufacturing techniques, materials science systems integration. This knowledge doesn't stay in the factory, it spreads through the national technical industrial base. In the long run, local production can be more cost-effective. Pakistan could produce its own spare parts and perform major overhauls domestically. This creates strategic autonomy. However, the path is fraught with challenges. The primary obstacle is the colossal upfront investment. Setting up a modern aircraft production line is incredibly expensive. For a country with competing priorities like healthcare, education, infrastructure, allocating such sums is politically and economically difficult. Pakistan does not need to reinvent the wheel when considering its options for the J-10C. It has a perfect case study in its own recent history, the JF-17 Thunder program. This successful joint venture with China provides a proven blueprint for balancing immediate needs with long-term ambitions. The JF-17 project did not begin with a massive state-of-the-art factory in Pakistan. It started with a phased approach. The initial batch of aircraft was produced in China. That let the PAF field the fighter quickly and gain operational experience. As the program matured, production was gradually shifted to the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex at Camera. This was a carefully managed process of technology transfer. Initially, PAC handled the final assembly of major components supplied by China. Over time, its role expanded. Today, PAC manufactures a significant portion of the JF-17's airframe. The JF-17 is now the backbone of the PAF, a symbol of Pakistani engineering prowess built on the foundation of Chinese partnership. This hybrid model offers the best of both worlds for the J-10C acquisition. Pakistan can follow the same script. It can procure an initial squadron or two of J-10Cs directly from China. Simultaneously, Pakistan can negotiate a comprehensive technology transfer agreement with China. In conclusion, the debate over how to acquire the J-10C fighter jet is not a simple choice between buying and building. It is a complex strategic calculation. A purely import-based strategy would provide a quick but temporary solution. A purely domestic production strategy, while noble in its ambition, is too slow and expensive to meet today's urgent security threats. Neither extreme offers a complete solution. The most prudent path is a balanced, hybrid approach. The immediate priority is addressing the regional air power imbalance. The first step, direct purchase of a limited number of J-10C squadrons from China. Swift induction gives the PAF immediate deterrent capability. While first jets arrive, finalize a robust agreement for phased technology transfer and establish local production facilities. Learn from the JF-17 model. Start with local assembly and MRO capabilities. Build a foundation of technical skill and industrial capacity. Over years, as expertise grows, PAC can increase local manufacturing share. This two-pronged strategy serves Pakistan's present and its future. Buy some jets now, build more later. This is the only way to truly win the jet gamble.